In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use the chat box in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're using Windows or a Mac, these instructions will help you navigate the interface with ease. Let's get started by opening the Microsoft Teams application on your desktop. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure you do so from the official Microsoft website to ensure you have the latest version. Once Teams is open, take a look at the left-hand sidebar, a central point of navigation in the application. Here you'll notice several icons. What we're looking for is the icon labeled Chat. Click on that to proceed. You'll find yourself in the main chat section, which displays all your existing conversations. This is a great place to manage your communication, whether you're catching up on past discussions or ready to start a new dialogue. If you're joining an ongoing conversation, simply browse your list of chats and select the one you want to engage with. But if starting fresh is more your style, direct your attention to the top of the chat section where you'll see the new chat button. It's represented by an envelope icon, making it easier to spot. Clicking that will open a new chat window where you can begin a message thread with any of your contacts. Once you've selected an existing chat or begun a new one, shift your focus to the bottom of the chat window. This is where the chat box resides. This intuitive space is designed for you to type your messages. Simply click into the box, start typing, and hit enter to send your message. It's as straightforward as that. During conversations, you may want to explore additional features like adding emojis, attaching files, or even organizing a video call right from the chat. These additional options are available near the chat box and can add a layer of richness to your communication. Remember, Microsoft Teams is not just for traditional text messaging, it also supports GIFs, stickers, and formatting tools, so you can tailor your messages to better suit the tone and content you wish to convey. That wraps up today's session on accessing and using the chat box in Microsoft Teams on your desktop. With these tools at your disposal, communicating with your team or colleagues should be more efficient and engaging. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Microsoft Teams.